Welcome to the inside of the KatochXcrypto Trading Academy, where we make a self-sufficient trader and giving them the real skill they need to trade any asset, including crypto. So this is a page that you see here, but when you click on the link, the first page that you see here is this one. This one is a sale page, and clearly this is me talking about the program. And if you go down here, you have all the details required before taking a decision. So you can see why you should join, the roadmap, the foundation, the courses, the recording, everything is covered, which I will just show you as I take you through inside the platform and what you will get and who is this for. Basically, this is for crypto traders and also the beginners who want to learn about trading, and plus those who are already trading cryptos or any other asset for a long time and they need a proper foundation to get started trading with an edge. For them, this is the course. Now, clearly, this is not just a course, it is an extension of more than a course. And after you sign up, you will be greeted with a message. And of course, then this system will be unlocked and you see all the options right over here. By the way, this is the main page of the Academy. This particular post, this section is public, anyone can see it. But the section on your left hand side, which is your member only forums, let me zoom it up, which is right over here. So these are the sections that are kind of just for the members. The member only forums, Academy handbook, events, live stream, courses, session recording and chat. So all these are part of this trading academy. Now we go to the forum, or first of all, as a member, when you sign up, you go to the Academy handbook. Now this handbook contains all the details necessary to get you started with the welcome message first, and you can see the step how to get started, what all is covered. And still, if you want to learn what is there, of course you can always DM me or drop a chat in here. This is where we talk as a community. Of course, there are option for private chat also, but this is where all the discussion happen in public. Just like you have Telegram, this is where we do chatting, all inside the academy, right? And let me go back to Academy handbook. You will see a weekly schedule that is there in the academy. What is going on Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, the top schedule, the top session, the workshop, the rules, the frequently asked question is there. You can check it out. Of course, the roadmap is there. What is going to be covered, the trader foundation, market structure, technical analysis, of course, risk management, trade execution, altcoin and meme coin trading. Everything is covered in this academy that you think of. Now, there's one burning question that most of you have, and that is, what if you don't have time? Well, for that, there's something called as session recordings. So we have a session recording tab in which all the recordings of the session have been held right over here. According to the dates, you can see every detail. This one is a market watch. The video has been recorded and it is kind of published right over here. So you're not going to miss anything. Plus, you have courses which are there forever. You can just click on it and you can read them anytime. You can listen to the videos or read the context. Everything is covered under this section, the courses that will get you started from basic to pro, and they're going to stay here within the academy. They won't be going anywhere. So even if you don't have time right now, you can subscribe, and of course in your free time you can start reading the courses, start watching the session recordings, and if possible you can always go to the events and check out the next event that is about to come up. For example, today we have trade review session. So this session help you analyze the trade with me and with other members. So you can see here the members submit charts and complete trades for analysis, feedback and discussion. That is what we do. Similarly, we have other events like just like Market Watch and just like any other workshop we have. For example, we also have technical analysis workshop where we analyze the chart, any selected chart, and of course draw the patterns, draw the lines and do the analysis in the right way so that you can get the hands-on experience apart from the courses section. If this is not enough, we also have live streaming. So we can have a live stream workshop, we can join and participate, and of course we can take the next step. So these features are designed specifically for the members so they don't miss out on anything, whatever they wish for. And the final part is the forums. This forum is only accessible to the members. So this is member only forum. Only the member can read these updates. So these are going to be exclusive with time, and of course a lot of things including the setup signals, and of course the update on the workshop, and many more stuff will be shared in the forums apart from discussing on the chat section. So this is a wholesome experience that I have given, or I've tried to provide to my members who wish to join or take their trading to the next level, who want to get started with the trading and become a self-sufficient trader. Because the goal here is not just to give you signals but also help you evolve as a full-time trader. So check out the link below shared about the academy. You can check out the sale page. You can read about the details. If you have any question, comment below, join my Telegram group, and I will take you through everything that you need or required before getting started. And of course, once you join, I welcome you on board. We can get started with all the sessions, all the features, and of course it is going to be a step-by-step process. There is no hurry. There's no hurry. You can take your time and you can evolve as a full-time trader. That's the goal here. And of course, I'm here with you, teaching you step by step, like I teach my members already in the public and platinum group. This is going to be way bigger than all the groups combined or any other courses out there in the crypto segment. So I'll see you there. If you have any question, drop down below. Have questions, DM me on Telegram and I will help you out with that. So let's get started. Let's become a self-sufficient trader with cryptos. Thank you.